Next, let's talk about a story that may surprise some people. The Vatican issued one of its strongest statements yet on artificial intelligence, warning about the importance of protecting human dignity as AI becomes increasingly integrated into society. And Johannes, this just feels like one of those moments where you realize that AI has become so much bigger than just a technology.
And that's exactly right, Tiffany. So when religious institutions begin issuing guidance on emerging technology, it's usually a sign that those technologies are beginning to influence society at a fundamental level.
And I don't think that we've seen that before. But this isn't really about software. It's about human agency, human responsibility, and what role people should continue to play in decision making.
And you see, many of the concerns that are being raised overlap with the discussions that we've already seen from governments and universities, labor organizations, and ethicists. Questions like who remains accountable, what decisions should remain human, and how do we ensure technology serves people rather than the other way around.
Well, one thing that I find fascinating is that conversations about AI are increasingly happening in places that have nothing to do with Silicon Valley. Boardrooms, parliaments, classrooms, courtrooms, and now religious institutions.
Because the technology itself is expanding into all of those spaces. And whenever that happens, society starts asking larger questions than engineering alone can answer.
Ultimately, it's not simply how intelligent these systems become, but how humanity chooses to live alongside them.